In this video, we are going to be analysing GETY. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start to push up from where we are now? We would be looking at 1450 as our closest and kind of key resistance level. But even pushing there, we can see we recently done that move and sold off quite sharp. And considering this stock pumped before, in all reality, it may push there, but will probably start sinking if we get into that level. But if for any reason you are bullish on this stock, you want to see further off targets, we would be paying attention to the 1650, the 2150, and 2275. And then very far off, we would be looking at $27.25, $30, $32.50, $38, and final levels at $46 and $54. But again, these are probably all quite unlikely. If you are paying attention to close resistances, then just the 1450 and the 1630 will most likely be enough. Now, on the other hand, if you're looking at support levels, what would we be paying attention to on GETY? So as of right now, our closest support level is 665, and then if we break that, 530. And then really those are the only key statistical levels we can do, because we can see after that the deviations do turn negative. So what else would we be paying attention to? So obviously where we're sitting now is our first deviation on the 1 year chart and is acting as its key support. It's why we bounced before into kind of this $14 resistance, and now we're starting to sell off. So it's usually what you see happen at these deviations. Once you hit one, you tend to see a bounce, and more than likely it will go to that next closest deviation. And as we can see, we kind of tested that, we're selling off, and now it looks like we're going to break below. We have now filled that gap that was created in the original pump. So now we've filled all the resistance, all the supports we needed. And really in time, we would probably expect a fade down to around this 665, which would most likely take us below this 52-week low at around $7.90. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on AMC.